Hi guys, hi girls, what's up? I'm here returning back to UPMC Sports Medicine Physical Therapy Southside location here at Southside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, PA. And we're going to check out the Schindler Elevator and see how it is. It's hydration. The only reason why I'm in this appointment today is because location, I have an appointment, so I'm going to make, not doing the tour because it's private. Yeah, enjoy. So yeah, that's the Schindler Elevator Hydration and Retake here at UPMC Sports Medicine Physical Therapy Southside office location here at Southside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Yeah, that being said, thanks for watching. That's all.